Sir, balik lang kay Babe Singson na we talked to him a while ago sa programang Storycon at well, something interesting came up. Ang kwento po kasi niya, mga two or more, mga 2 or 3 weeks ago, pa niya binigay sa Malacanang ang kanyang resignation letter. And in all that time, between the time he submitted that resignation letter until now, nobody in Malacanang has reached out to him, ni walang feedback. If at all daw, meron lamang nagparamdam through an emissary na baka pwedeng i-extend hanggang end of the month yung effectivity ng resignation. Which a lot of us find a little bit curious and strange. But if I ask you po, what do you think, what kind of a message does that send to the ICI and to all the requests and the concerns being made by Babe Singson?
Nakakapagtaka yun. Kasi kung talagang nakita natin mismo sa SONA, binanggit ni Pangulong BBM itong issue ito. At I suggest that the media focus their attention on Malacanang and ask not just the spokesperson but the President himself kung bakit ganon. I agree with you. It is very strange and it's not something that is consistent with their public claims that they are serious about getting to the bottom of the issues of corruption in the flood control and other projects.
Actually, I wanted to ask Babe Singson about that kanina kasi yun lang, we ran out of time. I wanted to ask him, given that, how serious do you think Malacanang is in, number one, empowering talaga an independent commission on infrastructure, and number two, seeing this to the end. Let me throw that question lang to you, since kayo po yung kausap namin ngayon. What do you think this signals? How serious is Malacanang as far as this investigation is concerned by the ICI?
Tingin ko, Ed, ang laki nang nawala ng kredibilidad itong ICI sa pagka-resign ni Secretary Singson. Kung hindi gumalaw ang Malacanang, kung hindi nila i-certify as urgent yung aming mga bill, at maghanap ng credible replacement kay Secretary Singson, ang madaling conclusion ng sambayan ng Pilipino ay lokohan na lang ito. And I wouldn't blame people who come to that conclusion because government, the administration must show and prove to the people that they are very serious about making sure that there is accountability.